The brands that you've worked with are insane, right? You have been in the media space, I'm guessing, since the beginning of your career, I would say.
Yeah, that consumer internet is the right technical word that people say, but
Right.
yes, you can say.
So what did you start your career with?
During my BBA, I did not go to college. I was working in a local record label.
Oh, interesting.
It is acquired by Z Music.
Hmm.
And I started with mixing mastering, which is the technical side of sound engineering. Then did a bunch of songwriting. Then
Are
did
you
a
a sound
bunch
engineer?
of yes,
By
partial,
experience.
but मतलब touch छूट गया है. मतलब I don't even remember basic stuff. I might be knowing VSTs क्या है and all, but basic stuff. But I'm pro songwriter and composer. Like I think that part of skill is my core strength.
Interesting.
I did think that I should be doing it as a profession. I was getting paid for that. My first payment was 500 rupees for just a song.
Nice.
But I just realized that, okay, I like it as a hobby. I don't want to make it a profession, because the fun fact, the beauty for which you loved the art it was getting diluted. That was the reason. So then I did my MBA in media management to learn programming. And so basically programming is news channel चलते हैं ना, तो वो प्रोग्रामिंग कैसे होती है, लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट प्रोग्रामिंग. ठीक है,
got
तो थोड़ा बहुत ट्रेनिंग उस सब का लिया था एंड एवरीथिंग. बट अगेन everyone was moving towards online, and I started digital marketing career that time. Started my journey with becoming a founding member of a social networking app.
Right.
So social networking app is under media only.
Correct.
I was doing everything there,
Okay.
from marketing, business development and everything. Then joined PTM Insider, was handling events category, sports category and movies category. Again events, again media, but the marketing and business side of the media.
Okay.
Then a breakthrough happened. Then I joined Pocket Aces, which is the parent company of Filter Copy, Dice Media, Gobble.
Right.
A lot of people don't know because they don't want to brand themselves like that. Ki,
Correct.
okay, and that's the challenging part actually. Like TV, you know being Indian, but you don't know Culture Machine. Culture Machine is the parent company. Exactly. So there was a time Culture Machine had to like every time write Culture Machine, buy Culture Machine. That's the weird part of brand hierarchy, they call it. Did that, and then I moved from media, and there is a interesting story why I moved. But after that, I moved away from
Okay,
media.
we'll get into that. So you're basically a growth guy.
Yes,
You were in growth for content. Now you're in growth of apps.
Correct.
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 So
Have been dwelling around both.